Do you suffer from lower back pain? Poor lifestyle choices like smoking, lack of regular exercise, bad food habits, incorrect posture, and many others may be to blame. The pain you feel in your back is most oftentimes caused by having what's known as a slip disc. A slip disc is basically a bulge on one of the discs that are between the tiny vertebrae in your back. Poor lifestyle choices and back trauma are the primary reasons for this condition. When the disc bulges out far enough to press on the nerve, it causes pain, sometimes more severe than others. Pain radiating to the hips, back of the knee, heel, and toes are all pretty common. If you're suffering from lower back pain, the bottom line is that you just cannot neglect it any longer. Good chiropractic care will help you finally find the relief you need and live the pain-free life you deserve. We have years of experience and thousands of satisfied patients. We would love to reduce your pain and have you be our next happy patient. Contact us today.